first day of loading. Obviously my truck's probably not gonna make it in there, so I just unhooked and I'm gonna be going in and being the crew. Quit. Trailer. We're loading. Last one. There we go. Now we just gotta check the trailers and yeah, hang out, grill out, who knows. Washed and cleaned up, so. And then don't really know what we're gonna do after that. Just kinda hang out, I think. There's 6 plates. So just got the truck washed and now I'm feeling up to top off. That way I can scale and see what my total weight is. I think I'm gonna play a little game and see if the guys can guess the right weight, and whoever gets closest or guesses right, I'll buy them dinner. So yeah, we'll make it a fun game. Well, there's the official number of what my truck weighs. Less than I thought. Let's see if the guys can get it right. All right, we're gonna start with Squid. All right, Squid, what do you think my truck weighs?
24.
24? All right. What do we got?
I would say 23.9.
23.9? Okay. What do you?
I was gonna say 23.5.
Okay. All right. So we'll have to ask the rest. All right, Mike. What do you guess my truck weight is?
22 1/4.
Okay. All right, Kiker. What do you think my truck weighs?
We'll say 24.6.
24.6. All right.
It's Tuesday night and we're not leaving till Monday, so I figured since we're not doing anything tomorrow, go check out the town a little bit. They got a live place, so I'm gonna check it out and see what it's all about. Alright, well, just got done at Walmart. Got some dog food and collar and a couple treats for a stray dog that has decided to join our crew. Wanna play? Hey, come on, ready? Ready? Oh! Get it, Lou. Just as high energy as my dog at home, Kahlua. Alright, well, just got done at Walmart for the second time. Got Lou some more stuff, more water, more food. So yeah, should be good to go for a little while. Well, today is the official tour day, so really haven't been doing much, just kind of hanging out, you know, and taking care of Lou. But I think today we get our credentials, so good news is I'll be able to shower and, you know, get catering, which, I mean, we could get catering every day already, but they just don't have a shuttle for us, so that's just a bummer. But, I mean, the stadium is right there, and we can use our scooters and whatnot to get there. Love you too.
What happened here?
What?
What were we checking here?
Well, right here there was a little oil right here.
Okay.
That spilled there.
Uh-huh.
I didn't like it.
Yeah, you didn't like it? So you just
I
have
have
big
a
house?
friend- I have a friend
Check
that-
her out?
I have a friend that does nothing all day.
I was looking for
and wanted to
a broken
take
piston
turbo
return
off
spring.
After I told him why it was leaking.
You got 10
But he
fans
wanted
up here,
to take the
nothing
turbo
all
off.
day.
I told him why it was leaking because I saw it marked over there. I knew it was coming from there.
Right, yeah.
He wants to take it off because he has nothing to do.
Is that true, big house?
Yep. Broken piston return spring again.
Where does this go? Ow! Where does this go?
Good family.
All right, well, Mike wants a picture of all the trucks together, so we're gonna get a picture for him, and probably a couple videos, so should look good. Got all the trucks all cleaned up. We wiped them down this morning because it rained last night, so it's looking good now.
Stop raining. So hopefully we get our shot.
We're gonna go get our land views. Yeah, right. So, but yeah, the guy's gonna come pick us up, and they're gonna do a background check on us, and as long as we check out, we'll be good to go.
How he's gonna check out.
I don't know how this guy's gonna check out. You be a good girl, okay? I'll be back soon. All right, well, it is Saturday. Finally got to go shower, so that was nice. It was only like 3 days that I didn't shower, but yeah, so feels good to get freshened up. Not really doing too much today. I get my new phone, so that's huge. I got the 14 Pro Max, so quality should be a lot better for you guys, and so I'm super stoked on that. I'm gonna head over to the AT&T store and pick her up.
All right, boys. Cheers to Taylor Swift. Yo, let's go.
Alright, well, just got done wiping down the rig, and now we're heading in for loadout. Nick and I going in for loadout. Let's go, baby. Well, Lou gave me a little surprise. Ugh. Boys are rolling in. Just got done with loadout. Taking Lou for a walk. And then I'm gonna grab a shower and then roll out. Alright, well, found out what trailer I'm pulling. Pulling 383. We'll drop this in Mobile, Alabama, and then shoot back and grab another trailer. What's up, Lou? Hey, girl. Yeah, you excited? We're gonna leave soon, okay? All right, well, Willie went to go get us some Taco Bell, and then after that, we'll head out Some of us are staying and some of us are leaving. I'm leaving tonight, and so is like 5 other guys, but yeah. And then we're just gonna get a few hours down the road and then finish it out in the morning to Mobile, Alabama. And then after that, we'll come back here and pick up the other trailers and then head straight to Tampa.